Train is sitting at the tracks, just sitting here. People are turning around, freaking out. I got things to do today, I gotta go. So they're just waiting the train out. Is it gonna move anytime soon? I don't know. Looks like some of the cool graffiti on it. Tanker cars. Non-odorized liquefied petroleum gas. That's what it says on it. SHQX 5050. You see the locomotives are right there. Graffiti, it says hiccup. Hiccup. Oh, here comes the trains moving now. Got that liquefied petroleum gas, non-odorized moving. Was moving. I guess other people are tired of waiting. They drive on, spin around. Got a little more graffiti up there on another car. I got things to do. I can't wait for no train. There's a train guy walking. See him? He's doing business. Handling his business. Get my proper pronunciation. There he is right there. See him walking? That's a railroad man right there. Railroad man working. We're backing up a little bit here. Here we go. Ooh, you can hear grinding of them brakes. Oh, good to see more graffiti. Ooh, the whole train's backing up. Here we go. Might get a chance to see the locomotive. Oh, yeah. Here we go. There's the locomotive of the Lancaster and Chester. With the G&O in front of that one. 3203 in it. 2866. And that concludes our train videos, ladies and gentlemen, as I cross over the tracks.